Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Learn Digital Academy. So in previous session we saw what is landing page and how landing page work and what is the benefits of landing pages and all. So today we will be learning what is landing page and how to design landing page. Okay, so let's take an example. Now when someone go to Google and look for, let's take a simple example, digital marketing training. When people type here, you'll be getting a result which is an advertisement. Now let me open this one. Now this particular page where I got landed, we call it as landing page from the digital marketing perspective. Now every landing page will have a purpose. Now what is the purpose? They are expecting us to fill this information so that I can download a brochure for free. Yeah. So here, what is my search query? My search query was digital marketing training, which was there in the headline and description. Then I made up my mind to click upon this. I clicked and I entered into this particular place. So here you can see the branding of them. They are branded. Scroll up and here you can see what all the benefits or takeaways which they are giving. Scroll even more down. Their achievements and awards, recognition. And here we have other things, that is the customer testimonials, student testimonials, and again a contact form over here. Fine. Now when you talk about your landing page, these are the major elements which you have to focus, that is conversions. Let's look at another example. Now I'm going to click this one, simply learn. Let me open this one. It clearly says digital marketing training. So let me open this. Correct. So I have entered into this place which says digital marketing training. So towards your right side, they have given the course curriculum and they have the call to action, that is download brochure. So syllabus. So let me click upon this. They're expecting my email ID and the phone number. So this act as a lead magnet actually. Okay. So what is the major purpose of creating a landing page is conversions. Fine. So let's scroll up here and you have other information also. So they are given the pricing and enroll now option is there, a call to action. And here are the benefits of taking up this particular course via Simply Learn and who is the instructor. Okay. And the course path. So it depends upon business to business. First thing is you have to understand the purpose of landing page is conversions. It's like, I've come to your business, your office, your showroom. You're talking to me and convincing me. How do you talk? What do you talk? And what is the benefit? What is the final outcome that you take? So that in that way, you have to design a landing page. Fine. So let's get into it practically. So let's get into the WordPress. Okay. So here two pages are mandatory. One is the landing page and second one is thank you page. Now what is landing page? The example what you people saw, that is landing page where people got landed in. The second one is thank you page. Now what is thank you page? Imagine later a person is coming to my website and is filling up the form. So once he fills up the form, I have to thank him. Thank you for filling the form. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for downloading the brochure. Thank you for making a purchase. It could be anything. So you have to thank them using a thank you page. You are redirecting them to the thank you page. So once people come to the thank you page, you can bring those set of traffic again back to the normal pages. That is your website pages. Okay. So let's do it. So I'll go to the pages. I'll click upon add new. And I will be creating a thank you page over here. So first let me create a landing page. So I'll write landing page. So landing page is not constant. I mean, it's not consistent. It is dynamic actually. Okay, it's not generic one or something. It is generic, which keeps on changing from campaign to campaign. Because my goal in this particular campaign is different from that of my next campaign. So always you have to focus on your landing page and what is the purpose and what is the objective of creating a landing page or a campaign. You'll get that idea. So landing page is created. Now I am using a DV builder. Let me design that using the DV builder itself. Fine. So let's click upon this W. So one page is created, that is landing page. We can see over here. So I'll directly start designing it now. The next one is I have to create one more page, that is thank you page. I'll click upon add new. Now this time it will be thank you. Simple. So I'll click upon publish two times and I'll be using DB builder to build it. You can use any builder, you can use Elementor, you can use DB. So I feel DB a customer friendly one, so that's the reason I'm using it. Fine. So where is my thank you page? Here it is, my thank you page. So I'll let me open it and start designing that also. Fine. So first thing is we can design from scratch like A to Z whatever I want, like what sliders I want, what banners I want, and what to convince to my customer, what things to be added. Everything I'll be adding it in this place by building from scratch. Or I can pick a pre-made layout. Now let me pick a pre-made layout and tell you like how does it look. Every platform has it, guys. Whichever theme that you people are going, they will be having a pre-made layout. Now I'll just come to this place. I'll type landing page. That's it. Nice. So here you can see the bar landing page and DJ landing page, LMS landing page, banking landing page, and other kind of landing pages. You can pick one from this and you can start designing the rest. Fine. So let me pick one from this. Pretty hard to choose because you have very good combination of, you have very good collections of landing pages. So let me pick. Actually, let me pick this one. Okay, so this is the landing page which I'm going to design. So you can directly click upon use this layout, or you can build something from scratch also. So I'll be using this, and I'll be doing certain alterations over there. Similar way, let me design the thank you page also. So I'll just add two things over here. One is I'll add a image telling people thank you for shopping with us, thank you for downloading brochure or something. So I'll try to add an image. That's it. Let me pick the image. So thank you image is added. So let me align it to the middle one, just like this. Okay. So I'll come to this page. So if you want to add some text also, you can add. So I'll show you the text also. I'll just hover on it. I'll add a text, and I'll write thank you for submitting the form. We will get in touch soon. Fine. You can align it to middle. You can change the font. Right, so something like this. Now last is I should add a button also. Fine. So let me add a button. Let me add one more row, and I'll look for button. Let me design the button now. Now look better than it was. Now the last one is alignment. I'll just align it to middle. Nice. Fine. So I've created a button. So instead of click here, I'll try to write learn more. And I'm giving the link. Let's say I'm giving the link to the blog. So let people come to my blog and read it. That's it. So I'll try to copy the blog and I paste it. I'll do the tick mark. That's it. Now this is how the thank you page will work. So thank you page is done. Let me go to the landing page. Fine. So landing page is also ready. Now one thing is missing over here in the landing page is contact form, which we have to add it. Actually, I'm supposed to add it on the top. Now can you see this? It clearly says digital marketing agents. You can see a beautiful image and you can see what do we do. That is our customer testimonials and everything. Scroll even more down, our projects and benefits. Scroll even more down, you can see all your photographs. Scroll even more down, why to choose us. Yeah, now this is a beautiful page which has been pre-designed by the DV. So here you can see the contact form. Fine. Now this is fine actually, but I want this to be replicated at the top also. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this. I'll just copy this module and I'll try to paste it at the topmost so that people who come enter into my landing page, they will be filling the form. So I'll just make it here. Yes. Can you see this? So I'll do a little bit of padding here so that it look professional. Fine. So I've added the landing page here. Let me add a little bit of background so that the form looks good. Hello. This should be fine. Now, what is the questions? What are the questions that I can ask to my customer to filter a qualified lead? Okay, so let me go to the gear icon. So here I have asked the name, I have asked the email ID, I have asked the company name and message. I don't require a company name, so I'm going to delete it. I need phone number, so let me click upon new, add new field. Now here I'm going to type phone number. I'm going to ask this phone number to my people who is filling the form, who is coming to my landing page. Done. So here you can see name, email ID, message and phone number. So I'll go back. Let me push it at the top. So it looks professional now. So first one is email ID, second one is first one is name, second one is email ID, third one is phone number and a message so that people can fill this information. So I want to ask what are the courses that my customers are interested in because I provide multiple courses under one single umbrella. I want to know what they are interested in. So let me click upon new field and let me add one more field to my audience. So here to my contact form. So I'll write courses, copy the same thing and put it in your field ID also. Field ID and title both. Fine. So courses is added, but this time I'll just click upon this field option. I will give options to the customer. Like let's say I'll create a radio button. Fine. So courses interested in let's say diploma in digital marketing. Option number one. Fine, let me add one more. I'll write advance in digital marketing. So let me add one more, masters in digital marketing. So I have given three options here so that people can opt for either this or this or this. That's the value of radio button. So you people can see the option here towards your right side. Tick mark. Let me add one more. So I want to know what are the preferred timings. So I'll write timings, field option. I'll just pick check boxes. Let the customer choose the check boxes over here. So timings 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. I'll add one more, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'll add one more, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Fine. I'll add one more, weekends. Fine. So these are the options I've given to my customer. So customer will be filling these forms and so that I can get the quality leads towards your right side. Can you see this? I have given all the information over here. Fine. So this much is done. Now I want to integrate, like once the people fill this form, I want them to come to the thank you page. Okay, so what will I do? I have a redirect option here. I'll just turn it on and I have the thank you page. So I'll copy this thank you page completely and I'm going to put it over there. I've copied it. I'll go to my landing page. I'll put it over here. That's it. And let me click upon tick mark and let me save it. So my landing page is done. Control Shift again. So let me try filling the forms here. So I'll copy the URL completely. I'll go here and paste it. Let me hit enter. Right. So here I have the form. Let me start filling it. Victor, Victor at gmail.com. Phone number 953 953 9531. Okay. And I am writing a message. Would like to know the pricing. Fine. Scroll up. So here, courses, I'm opting for diploma or advanced or masters. So I'm opting for diploma. Scroll up. So timings that I'm interested in, probably I'll be interested in 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. AM. Fine. Scroll up. Click upon send. Now observe what's going to happen. Form submitted. Can you see this? It is taking me to the thank you page. So thank you for submitting the form. We will get in touch with you. How smart it is. Now I'll click upon learn more option. It is taking me to the blog page. So this is how you have to integrate. Like, if people are not getting converted also, let them fill the form and you bring those people to other pages of your website. Conversion happened for you. Okay. So you can bring the people to other pages. Fine. So this is how you will be creating your landing page for your business. Fine. Hope this session was really informative for you. So catch you in some other session later. Take care. Bye bye.